folks, I'm here with Larry, and we're doing a special video because Larry built his own baritone ukulele. So why don't you take it off the strap so you can show folks what it's made out of. So Larry and I worked on this instrument almost all year, right? So show people the back and sides and tell them what it's made out of.
Sitka spruce
for the top.
And koa back and sides from a big old chunk that Aaron had there. Maple binding, rosewood bridge, is it?
I think that's a walnut bridge.
Sorry, walnut bridge. Yep. That's right. Sorry, walnut bridge, walnut fingerboard, maple binding also on the fingerboard.
And then the neck. What did we make the neck out of? Do you remember?
Great question.
That was Spanish cedar.
There, Spanish cedar. It's a three-piece though. Got a strip of walnut down the back there.
So, what was your favorite part about building that ukulele?
Oh, my favorite part was, getting started with it, and making the box and getting all the plates the right size and all that stuff and gluing it. That was the easy part. The part that was the hardest for me was building the neck, fretting, setting up. That was the hardest part for me. I had to do everything 3 times.
Yeah. Well, basically, the basic woodworking of making the body is probably easier than the setup work, is what you're saying.
Yeah, exactly. For me it was, because it took me a bunch of tries to make a saddle that would work, make a nut that would work. Yeah. Filed the frets multiple times to make sure that everything was crowned perfectly, because every time I would do it, I would find another problem. So Aaron just does it super fast. He can do it in just an hour, have it completely ready to go, and it took me several days.
Yeah, but, it's okay.
I'm learning.
You'll worry about being fast about it later. Right now, you just... So strum something for the people, or... Yeah, so it kind of sounds like a miniature guitar for you, right? It's
yeah, it feels like a miniature guitar.
Pretty cool. Okay, so do you remember what number it is?
Yes, it is number 908.
908. It's ready to go. Larry's done. Took us 8 months or something, but it was worth the wait. So, good job, Larry.
Thank
Cheers.
you.